Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. On this occasion, I will present a presentation utility inside the computer and hardware. First of all, I would like to thank Miss Rizky Mirani Pratama, SSMPD, for her free time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fahida Alera Madina from the Information System Department of the Youth Campus for Class 19-2B37, NIM 19241685. Let's get to first topic. Inside the computer. Inside a computer. Have you ever looked inside a computer case or seen pictures of the inside of one? The small part may look complete, but the inside of a computer case is really all that mysterious. This lesson will help you master some of the basic technology and understand a bit more about what goes on inside a computer. A computer main components. That is to 1. Motherboard. The motherboard is the computer main circuit board. Is a DIN plan that hold the CPU memory, connect for the hard drive and optical drive, expansion card to control the video and audio and connect to your computer ports shot at USB port. That is to 2. CPU processor. The central processing unit, CPU, also called a processor, is located inside the computer case on the motherboard. It is sometimes called the brain of the computer, and its job is to carry out commands. Whenever you press a key, click the mouse, or start an application, you're sending instructions to the CPU. RAM. RAM is your system short-term memory. Whenever your computer performance calculation is temporarily store the data in the RAM until it is needed. This short-term memory dispenser when the computer is turned off if you're working on an document, spreadsheet, or other type of file. You'll need to sum is to avoid losing it. Is to 4. Hard drive. The hard drive is where your software, document, and other files are stored. The hard drive is long drive strong, which means the data is still saved even if you turn the computer off or unplug it. When you run a program or open a file, the computer commits some of the data from the hard drive out the RAM. Power supply unit. The power supply unit in a computer converts the power from the wall outlet to the type of power needed by the computer. Is side power cable to the motherboard and other components. Expansion card. Most computers have expansion slot on the motherboard that allow you to add various type of expansion card. These are sometimes called PC peripheral component interconnect card. You may never need to add any PC card because motherboard have built-in video, sound, network, and other compatibilities. Video card. The video card is responsible for what you see on the monitor. Most computers have a GPU, graphics processing unit, built into the motherboard instead of having a separated video card. If you like playing graphics-intensive games, you can add a faster video card, the one of the expansion slot, to get better performance. Sound card. The sound card, also called an audio card, is responsible for what you hear in the speaker or earphone. Most motherboards have integrated sound, but you can upgrade to dedicated sound cards for high-grade quality sound. Bluetooth card. Bluetooth is a technology for wireless communication of short distance. Is often used in computer to communication with wireless keyboard, mic, and printers. Is commonly built into the motherboard or included in a wireless network card. For computers that don't have Bluetooth, you can purchase a used adapter, often called a dongle. What is a laptop computer? A laptop is a personal computer that can easily move and use in a variety of locations. Most laptops are designed to have all of the functionality of desktop computer, which means they can generally run the same software and open the small types of files. However, laptops also tend to be more expensive than completely desktop computer. How is laptop different for a desktop? Because laptops are designed for portability, there are some important differences between the and desktop computer. A, a laptop has an all-in-one design with a built-in monitor, keyboard, touchpad, which replace the mouse and speaker. This means it is fully functional even when no previous I connection. A laptop is also quicker to set up and there are fewer claps to get in the way. Here are the main differences you can expand with a laptop. Touchpad. A touchpad, also called a trackpad, is a touch-sensitive pen that lets you control the portrait by making a drawing motion with your finger. Battery. Every laptop has a battery which allow you to use the laptop which is not plugged in. Whenever you plug in the laptop, the battery recharges. Another benefit of having a battery is that it can provide backup power the laptop if the power goes out. A adapter. A laptop usually has a specialized power cable called an AC adapter which is designed to be used with that specific type of laptop. Here are the main differences you can example with a laptop. Prince, generally speaking, laptops tend to be more expensive than a desktop computer with the small internal components. While you may fit then some basic laptop costs less than desktop computer, these are usually most laptop power machine. Port. Most laptops have the same types of port on desktop computer use a USB, although they usually have power phone to save space. However, some ports may benefit and you may need an adapter in order to use them. What is a operating system? A operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer memory and process as well as all of its software and hardware. It also uses to communication with the computer with connecting how to speak the computer language, which how an operating system a computer is utilizes. Here are the main different things you can explain it with a laptop. The operating system job. Your computer operating system OS manages all of the software and hardware on the computer, Most of time, there are several different computer programs running at the same time, and they all need to access your computer central processing unit atau CPU, memory, and ROM. The operating system coordinates all of this to make sure each program gets what is needed. Types of processing system. Operating system usually compiled on any computer you buy. Most people use the operating system comes with their computer, but it's possible to upgrade or even change operating system. Their most common operating system for personal computer are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. What is application? You may have heard people talking about use a program, application, or an app, but what actually does that mean? Simply put, an app is a type of software that allows you to perform specific text application for desktop or laptop computer, and sometimes called desktop application will touch for mobile device and call it mobile. When you open an application, it's run inside the operating system until you close it. Most of the time, you will have more than one application open at the same time, which it known as multitasking. It is a common term for an application expansion for simple application that can be downloaded expansively or even for free. Main applications are also available for mobile device and even some TVs. Mobile app. Desktop and laptop computer are the only device that can run application. You can also download app for mobile device like smartphone and tablet. Here are a few examples of mobile. Installing new application. Every computer and mobile device will become with some application already built in, used as a web browser and media player. However, you can also provision and install new app to earn more function. Setting up a computer. So you have a new computer and you're ready to set it up. This may seem like an overwhelming and complicated task, but is actually a lot easier than you might think. Most computers are set you in a similar way. It does matter what part of computer you have. Settings up a laptop computer. If you have a laptop, step should be easy. Just open it and pressing the power button. If the battery is charged, you'll need a plug-in the adapter. You can continue using the laptop while in charge. If your laptop has an prepared like external speakers, you may want to read the instructions below. Laptop and desktop generally use the same types of connection, so the same stem will step apply. Topic presentation. Hardware. Understanding hardware. The term hardware refers to the physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched. Hardware is any physical element of a computer, such as monitor, keyboard, microchip, hard drive, and various other component. Hardware can be categorized into internal and external components. internal dan external component. Internal component are needed for a computer to function properly. When operated, internal component collectively process or store instructions delivered by an program or operating system. External component are commonly called peripheral devices are installed into a computer to add and enhance the functionality of the computer. External hardware components are systems that are often connected internally to a computer to control input and output potential. Hardware potential. Hardware refers to physical, tangible equipment and devices of a computer. The main function of computer hardware is to provide support for the main function of a computer, such as input, processing, output, secondary storage, and communication. If you use a laptop, then you have hardware in the form of the physical laptop itself and software in the form of the processing system and the application. In one case, if you only have the software, namely the operating system, application, and program, that means you only have the instruction. However, you do not have a definition that can provide instruction. Hardware potential. Therefrom, these two devices need each other. Hardware needs software to run in function by determining what to do, while software also needs hardware to run in function in the form of direction of commands sent by hardware. Hardware example. Motherboard. The motherboard is a unit that houses the central processing unit CPU. This hardware has a shape like a printed circuit board. The motherboard functions as a central connection that is run by other hardware component. CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that is responsible for processing and executing digital instructions from various programs. Some CPU brains have different speed. The speed determines the performance and efficiency of the computer in processing data. Hard drive. Hard drive devices are permanent and temporary data storage spans. In a hard drive, user can store various files in various formats. Code and program as documents, photo, video, and so on. Camera. The camera is also included in the external category of hardware component. This device works by capturing images, visualizing, and streaming them to a computer and via a computer the network device. Micro device. In addition to being able and capture visually, there is also hardware that can capture sound, namely a micro device. This device works by translating sound waves into electrical signal and support and component basic communication. Hardware model. Hardware output. Hardware output is a computer device the function to store and produce data in the computer. Later, the data can be output through other devices connected to the computer. Hardware input. Hardware input is hardware that function to input data or information in the form of file, image, video, and audio into the computer. Example of input hardware are keyboard, mouse, Microsoft scanner, and webcam. Hardware process. As the name implies, hard process function to process or process virus, data, dan informasi entered into the computer. Hardware process is also called the core of the computer. Strong defense. Strong defense is a digital data strong defense. This defense can be part of the computer internal, or it can be a separate defense external. Example for strong defense in a computer are hard disk defense and solid state drive. Consulace. Computer hardware in one of the components of the computer was natural can be seen and touched directly or in real form with function to support the computerization process. Hardware has several components that are defined based on their function. Include input defined, process defined, output defined, backing strong, and peripherals. Thank you very much. Your great attention. See you guys.